Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the grammar portion, but today we will discuss the literature portion. That is chapter 7. The name of the chapter is Little Sunshine. Little Sunshine. Dear students, this is the story of a girl who was very beautiful, and the name of that girl is Little Sunshine. Okay students, so just open Skies book, chapter 7. It is given at the page number 58. Dear students, just open your book of English reader, page number 58. Just see. Dear students, first of all we will discuss the warm yourself up. Just see, warm yourself up. Have you heard of Little Sunshine? This is the question. Have you heard of Little Sunshine? It is the name of a baby, and the name Little Sunshine is the name of a baby. And you must believe that it was the most wonderful baby. And it is written here, you must believe that it was the most wonderful baby who grew into the most wonderful little girl, who grew later in the most beautiful little girl. Okay students, just see. Now read the story of Little Sunshine below. Just see the student. The paragraph number first. Just see. Once upon a time there lived a man and a woman in little hut on the border of a wood. Dear students, once upon a time there was a farmer who used to live. There was a man and woman who used to live in a small hut, in a little hut on the border of the wood. On the border of the wood means near the forest. They were living near the forest. Once upon a time there was a man and woman who used to live near the forest. They tended means kept and took care. Tended means kept and took care. Tended means took care, kept or took care. Kept and took care. Okay students, just see. Tended means palan karna, palna. Just see. They tended their cow and horse. And they were living near the forest, and they also used to tend cow and horse and work in the field. And they were also used to work in the field and were busy from morning till night. And they were also too much busy. They were also so much busy from morning till night. You see, from morning till night. It means they used to tend the cows and horse, and they also worked in a field. And they were also busy from morning till night. There were other people living near them who also work in the fields. And there are so many other people who also works in the field. Those who are living near that man and woman. But no one had ever dared to go into the forest. No one had dared to go into the forest. No one had dared or courage. Dare means courage. No one had dared or courage to go into the forest. Why? You see, not even to chop wood, to cut wood. Why? There were no paths, because in the forest there were no paths. There were no way. You see, there were no paths. The trees had grown together like a wall, and in the forest the tree had grown like a wall. Together like a wall, in a series of trees, like wall. You see, it is written here. There were no paths. The tree had grown together like a wall. And the tree had grown together like a wall. And it was very dark to look at. And it was very dark in the forest. Because there were number of trees. And it was very thick forest. Therefore, the people, those who lived near the forest, they did not enter in the forest even to chop wood. Because it was so dangerous. And people did not have courage to go into the forest. Okay? So this is all about the paragraph number first. Come to the next paragraph. You see, students, after a while, little girl was born to a woman and the man. You see, students, after a while, a little girl was born to the woman and man. After a while, after few years, after some times, the man and woman had after a while, the little girl was born to the man and the woman. And a little girl took birth in the house of that man and woman. She was most wonderful baby. And she was the most wonderful baby. And she grew into the most wonderful little girl. And she grew into the most wonderful little girl. It was a baby in the beginning, but after that, after a few years, she became little girl. All dimples and smiles and love. And she was so beautiful. There were dimples, smiles and affection. Love was there on her face. Whoever looked at her became happy at once. And whoever, the person who looks over her, you see, whoever looked at her become happy at once. Whoever looked at her became happy at once. She was so beautiful that after seeing the beauty of that girl, people feel glad, became happy. Looked at her, became happy at once. And people came from miles around to see her smile. And she was so beautiful, she was so charming, she was so pretty that people came from miles to see the beauty of that girl. She was so beautiful. You see, it was written. People came from miles around to see her smile. People came from miles to see her smile, or touch her finger, or to touch her fingers. She was so beautiful. Or touch her finger, and they named her Little Sunshine. And the people named that little girl, that is Little Sunshine. Okay? Because she looks like the sunshine. Okay? As the sunshine looks very beautiful in the morning, early in the morning. And in the same way that girl, that baby, that little girl was so beautiful that people came from miles and miles to see her beauty. Okay? You see? And or to touch her fingers. And they named her Little Sunshine. And the people who used to see her, they named her Little Sunshine. Okay, students, this is all about the paragraph number 2. Come to the next paragraph. Just see, students, the mother taught her to bake. Bake means pakana. Just see, the mother taught her to bake and sew and spin. Her mother taught her when she was child. Her mother taught her. What she taught? To bake and sew and spin. You see? So she might be industrious. So she might be industrious. Industrious means hard working. Industrious. Industrious means hard working. Okay, student, just see. Industrious means hard working. Because her mother wanted to make her hard working lady, hard working girl. Okay, therefore she taught her baking, spinning and sewing. Okay, just see. So she might be industrious as well as loving. Okay, her mother taught her so many domestic chores, domestic works, so that she could become industrious. So that she could become industrious as well as loving. She could work in the fields. She could work in the field. So that she could work in the field. But whatever a bit of work she started, it was finished before she could as much as turn around, or else someone would come and help little Sunshine to complete it. And whenever a bit of work has been given to her, that little girl, the people who looked at that work, who looked that the little Sunshine was, that little girl was working, the other people came and helped her. And in this way, her work finished so soon. And people love her too much that they helped her in completing her work. Okay, because she was so loving. And the people also, the other people, those who live near the man and woman, they took care of that little girl. And they also loved that little girl because she was so beautiful, she was so hardworking, and she was also loving. Okay, students? So come to the next paragraph. Paragraph number next, that is paragraph number 4. Okay, students, if you have any kind of doubts in these paragraphs, if any word that you are unable to understand, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay, students, this will never do, said her mother one day. One day, her mother said that, what she said? This will never do. This will never do. Because the people who saw while working that little girl, they helped her. Therefore, although her mother wanted to make her hardworking, industrious, but the other people came and helped her. In this way, her work finished too soon. And her mother, what she said? Her mother, this will never do. And her mother said that not to help her. Otherwise, she will become lazy. Her mother gave her work to make her industrious, to make her hardworking as well as loving. But what happened one day? Her mother said to the other people not to help her. Why? It is written here, little Sunshine must learn to work alone. She said that little Sunshine, that little girl, should complete her work alone. You see, little Sunshine must learn to work alone. And she said that little Sunshine, that little girl, must learn to work alone, or she will grow up a lazy girl, or she will grow up a lazy girl. Okay, students, her mother wanted to make her industrious. Her mother wanted to make that little girl loving. Therefore, she provided her so many works. She gave her so many work. Okay? Just see. Little Sunshine must learn to work alone or she will grow up a lazy girl. Otherwise, she will grow up a lazy girl. If she will not work alone, then she will become a lazy girl. Take this, my child, she said, as she gave Little Sunshine a snurl of flax. Some work she has given to the little girl. Snurl of flax means clutter, snurl means clutter and flax. It is a kind of plants, the fiber of which is used for textile. It is a kind of plant by which we get threads. And the mother gave that little girl to what? Clutter of flax nearly as large as she was. And do go to your room alone to spin it. And she gave that work and said to go to your room. To whom she said? She said to the little sunshine to go in your room and spin it. Spin it means katna. It is a kind of wheels by which we get that threads. Okay, students, come to the next paragraph. Just see, students. So Little Sunshine laughed merrily. Merrily means happily. Just see, students. So when her mother gave her work to spin, to get the threads with these flax. So, and she also said that you go in your room and complete your work alone. And just see, so the Little Sunshine laughed merrily and took the flax into her own room. She went in her room for working. Just see, went her room and shut the door fast. And she also shut the door fast. Okay, students, come to the next. This is the sound. This is the sound of what? Spinning wheel. You see, went her spinning wheels. जब स्पाइनिंग व्हील चलता था तो इसी तरह का आवाज आता था. Went her spinning wheel. But the flax seemed to untangle. Itself and soon lay in smooth coils. And soon it becomes the smooth coils. Coils means rolls of thread upon the floor. And very soon it becomes it lays in a smooth coil of threads upon the floor. And just as it was finished, Little Sunshine heard. And just her work finished, Little Sunshine heard what? Squeak, squeak, quick, quick, squeak. That is the sound. Squeak, squeak. That is the sound. And a grey mouse scuttled from a hole in the chimney corner and perched himself upon her distaff. Just see, students, after completing, when her work was finished, and at that time a sound she heard, the little girl heard a sound that is squeak, squeak, and grey mouse. Scuttle means move around quickly. Scuttle means move around quickly from a hole. एक hole से निकला एक चूहा in the chimney corner and perched means sat himself upon her distaff. Distaff means spindle used for spinning wheel. Okay, it is a kind of spindle on which the little mouse sat. Okay, students, just see. What do you want, mouse? Asked Little Sunshine. The Little Sunshine asked the mouse, what do you want? Why did you come here? Just see. Something good to eat. Squeaked the mouse. Squeaked means, students, बहुत तीखी आवाज में चूहे की आवाज कैसी होती है? तीखी होती है. Squeaked. the mouse something good to eat. And when the little sunshine asked the mouse, what do you want? What do you want, mouse? Then the mouse replied that it wants something good to eat. The mouse wanted to eat something. Okay, come to the next. Why I don't believe I have a thing for you. And she said that, said little sunshine. Little sunshine said that, why I don't believe that I have thing for you. The little sunshine said that, I don't believe that she had anything to give that mouse. Unless you like this, and unless you like this. And she offered the mouse a bit of fat, which was greased her will. It was greased her will. Some fats, some cottons, some threads, that was greased her will. जो उसकी व्हील से करने के बाद जो धागा का कुछ थोड़ा थोड़ा चीजें बची थी, उसी को वो क्या की, माउस को ऑफर की. She offered the mouse a bit of fat with which she greased her will. Okay, students, come to the next. The mouse nibbled. Nibble means cut and add. Nibble means cut and add. You see, nibble मतलब काटना और फिर उसको खा जाना. You see, the mouse nibbled away gratefully, and very gratefully the mouse ate that things which was offered by the little sunshine. But all at once, little sunshine heard a rap. Rap means a light sound. Rap means a light sound. हल्की आवाज. You see, the little sunshine heard a rap at the door. The little sunshine heard a rap at the door. And a gruff voice called. A gruff voice called. There was a gruff voice. Okay, that was the voice of bear. You see, a gruff voice called, let me in, let me in. And there was a sound from the door. It was coming. There was a sound coming from the door side. What was that? Let me in, let me in. Okay, students. So, dear students, you read it. I have taught you today the page number 58 and 59. You revise these two pages of chapter 7. If you find any kind of doubts, you can ask. In the next class, we will discuss the next pages, page number 60 and 61. Yes, students? So, this is all about the little girl and how she looks and how her mother gave her work to complete. How her mother wanted to make her hardworking, industrious and loving. Okay, students, in the next class we will discuss some more thing related to this chapter, that is Little Sunshine. That's all for today. Thank you.